It's day 19 of our 35-day Alaskan cruise journey. We are on a 5-week back-to-back cruise on the Carnival Luminosa, and today we are in Tracy Arm Fjord. As you see, it's absolutely gorgeous out here. It feels warm. It's in the mid-50s. So I am a little disappointed this morning. We were supposed to be on the glacier, the Tracy Arm Glacier excursion this morning, and sadly it was canceled today. Around 6 o'clock this morning, somebody needed serious medical attention on the boat. They had to turn the boat around to go back to Juneau. The Coast Guard met them to take the person to the Juneau hospital. I don't know what happened, but prayers were needed, so I really hope and pray that this person is okay and everything turned out well for them once they got to the hospital. Unfortunately, with that happening, they were not able to get to Tracy Arm this morning at 7 a.m. They did get back to Tracy Arm, but it wasn't until 10 o'clock. And when they got there at 10 o'clock, our excursion started at 10:30. But we were the second excursion that started, and unfortunately they canceled the second excursion and let the first excursion go. So the 7:30 people got a chance to go when we got back at 10 o'clock. So everybody who had an excursion booked at 10:30 this morning got canceled. Now I'm really devastated, and it's hard because I really wanted to go. I've been watching this. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. I wanted to get right up there at the glacier. You get some glacieritas where they get the glaciers and they make little margaritas out of the glaciers for you. I really wanted to do all of this. I was so excited, but I'm more hurt and disappointed for the people that were going to be on this excursion with me and that are not doing back-to-back cruises, and they're not coming back to Alaska. I talked to a girl last night and I feel really bad for her. This is her once in a lifetime opportunity. Not only did she get something canceled on a couple days ago because of weather, now she's getting this canceled as well. And this is her once in a lifetime bucket list opportunity cruise that she is doing. And I feel really bad for not only her, but anybody else that this happened to. So this is a heartbreaking day. I'm, prayerful for the person who is in the Juneau hospital right now, but anybody who, lost out on this amazing experience, and they may not be able to get to come back like this one girl told me. So I'm really hoping that, we can still enjoy the day and enjoy this green glacier fed beautiful water and all the glaciers and the ice that we get to see coming through here, and maybe see some more harbor seals today. I am going to try to stay positive and try to stay happy. The only thing is, for me, yes, I am on a 5-week back-to-back cruise, but the Tracy Arm goes in the middle of the week. So with it being in the middle of the week and I still work, I have to take time off in order to do an excursion. I took time off this week so that I could do it. So I'm going to have to try to take time off again, and probably I'll do it in 2 more weeks. I'll try to take time off work again so that I can do the excursion. But I still have that opportunity, and I'll try to get it done because I really, really want to do it. It's supposed to be beautiful, and I mean, how can you be disappointed when you're in Alaska and you see all this gorgeous water and views around you? I mean, there's so much ice everywhere. It's absolutely gorgeous. I can't get sad. I really can't. I'm going to stay positive and stay happy today. It's absolutely gorgeous here today. Like I said, it's in the mid-50s. It's beautiful. There are people out everywhere on the ship. With us getting started into Tracy Arm a little later in the day. Normally we get started about 7 a.m. With us getting started a little later in the day, there are so many people out because it's warmer. The sun is out. It's not windy. You see, I'm in sleeveless shirt because it's pretty warm out today. It's in the upper 50s, but the sun is shining and it's just gorgeous, and we don't get too many sunshiny weather, especially in this past week, so everybody's loving it, enjoying it. And the top decks are like so crowded right now, and everybody's either out on their balconies or out on their top deck or out on the top deck. So it's just, everybody's absolutely getting out there and enjoying it. It's beautiful weather to sit and enjoy these gorgeous views. So that's what I'm going to do today, and I'm going to take you around. I'm going to show you what I see today.
What do you see?
Oh, it's just some ice floating by. It was bobbing up and down the water. There were some seals out here earlier, and the waterfalls coming down through here is just gorgeous. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous seeing all these waterfalls. All right, come on, bonus.
Even though our excursion was canceled this morning, it still turned out to be a great day with so many gorgeous and beautiful views all around today. I made sure no matter what I did today to take in those gorgeous views, whether I was sitting on my balcony and taking it all in, or relaxing in the spa, and even when I went to the casino, I made sure to stop and watch the views as well. And hey, I left up in the casino as well. But just take a look at this beautiful sunset right now. I mean, it's just been gorgeous views all day today. I'm just truly enjoying the moment. Why not? Tomorrow is another sea day, so I will see you tomorrow.